fast version to hop in with $100, make your way into decentralized finance, earn passive income, and you just rinse and repeat that cycle. Algorand. Hey, what's good, y'all? It's C. Will, and this is the Passive Income Network. On this channel, we talk about creating assets that produce passive income. Talk about the stock market, online business, and cryptocurrency. On this video, we'll be talking about how to get started in crypto, namely decentralized finance with $100. This is a helpful video for beginner investors in the cryptocurrency space. Okay, y'all, there's a few things that you have to be aware of when you want to get started in crypto. For those who know, you know. Okay, I'm gonna walk y'all through what exchange I believe is a great exchange for beginners, what wallet you should be using, how to do a quick tutorial or quick informational of how to self-manage your cryptocurrency, and then which decentralized platform you should be using when it goes to your cryptocurrency. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is go over to crypto.com. Crypto.com is my favorite go-to platform for buying cryptos, okay? So be wary of using other exchanges that are, out on the market, namely Robinhood, because they don't also give you real crypto. It's more like paper trading crypto. PayPal, I believe, is the same. Coinbase has a lot of fees. They get hacked and a lot of things that happen. That's why we use crypto.com. It has been the most secure crypto exchange with the most coin options I have used so far. So make sure y'all do y'all research about these things. All right, so crypto.com, what you would do is set up an account. The KYC, which is knowing your customer, needs your ID, needs your information of how you would sign up to these type of accounts like a bank. You sign up, they have all your data. This is what the interface here is looking like. This app is nice, okay? So you will sign up, you will buy crypto at its true cost. Namely, what I would say would go buy Algorand, because we're gonna do something quick for y'all here. Go buy Algorand, right? And after you buy Algorand, what you would want to do is then send that Algorand over to your official Algorand wallet. You have two options. The first option is the Algorand wallet. As we said here, the official wallet. Here's the user interface, also well done. You can get it at the App Store, Google Play, Android Marketplace. Make sure y'all visit the website, official Algorand wallet. Don't mess with nothing else, okay? Hold, transact, manage your assets all in one place, okay? And then the other option here is the web version, the wallet.myalgo, myalgo wallet, okay? And this is just a way to use your crypto wallet. It's a different interface. One's for simply your laptops or computers. The other is for your phone. They have the same functions, okay? And then you can see after you, then, like I said, you're in crypto.com, you have your wallet, you bought your Algorand. What you would do is set up either your official wallet or your Algorand wallet. Then you can scan the QR code and literally send your algos there. There may be a few steps you have to go through to crypto.com via verification, verifiers and whatnot, but make sure, QR code is always the way to go. And then the big part about decentralized finance, okay? The main thing about decentralized finance that I love, that I'm really into, is the self-management, the self-banking that you're able to do with DeFi, decentralized finance. So now that we have our algos, we send them to our web wallet or our official Algorand wallet. The next thing we do is go to a decentralized exchange, and we're gonna swap Algorand for yield, okay? So that's what we do here. Then boom, you go to Tinyman, okay? You sign up on Tinyman, or excuse me, you log in. There's an account here. You can log in. I'm already logged in. You see the accounts. You can see all your assets in there, right? And you have, after you do that, you go over to Swap. I made plenty of videos about this. Go through the Algorand ecosystem on the Passive Income Network. You see all the tutorials. This is an overview, okay? Then you would type in your algos, select a token. We're gonna look for Yieldly. You swap to Yieldly. And after you sign the transactions, you confirm the swaps, you redeem your excess, you all good. Then the last final phase is to go over to Yieldly. Make sure you go. Yieldly is the most fire. You can get the most passive income, the most APYs on Yieldly Finance. All right. So you see, then what you do, for example, here, 27% APY. We're talking about annual percentage yield. The same thing you deal with when you're doing mortgages, car loans, personal loans, all those type of things, APY, right? But instead of these big corporations collecting your money, you're collecting money, okay, via the form of this cryptocurrency, Yieldly, and all the associated Algorand standard assets. All right, so then you would stake whatever's in your wallet, 175, 50, 25%, whatever it is that you would want to do. You would stake, and then daily you would claim. And as you see here, the rewards update in 7 hours and 15 minutes. And then with that, you claim. These transactions are 0.001%, okay, or 1 cent, 0.001. That's like 0.1%. Don't use Ethereum. That's my personal thing because it costs way too much, okay? So we remember we on crypto.com. We're using the official Algorand wallet or the web wallet, my ALGO. Then we're going to Tinyman, and then we're uploading, staking our Yieldly on Tinyman, and we're going to receive here 27.4% passive income, which beats inflation. Okay, and that's the plans right there. That's the quick overall fast version to hop in with $100, make your way into decentralized finance, earn passive income, and you just rinse and repeat that cycle. You dig, you know what I'm saying? Leave a fire in chat if you dig what I'm saying. And if you are new, make sure that you join the Passive Income Network Discord server, where you can join a community of investors who invest in passive income producing assets, okay? Appreciate y'all for tapping in. See Will on the Passive Income Network. I am gone. Algorand.